Hi dear children, welcome to grade 6 GK. I hope you all are fine and safe, right children? So in today's session, we are going to see the new topic. The topic is nature. Okay, so from that we are going to see about some of the medicinal plants. Okay. So the plants are all around us. They are the main source of food and medicines. Plants give us various useful things. So from the given description, we have to find the name of the plant. Okay. So the first one, the drug line is made from the seeds of this plant. This drug is used to cure heart disease. So the answer foxglove. So it's used to cure the heart diseases. So the next one, this plant is the native of India. Its leaves are used to obtain a blue color dye. So the answer indigo. So indigo is used to make a dye. Okay. So next one, quinine is the anti-malarial drugs. It's obtained from the bark of this tree. So the answer cinchona. Okay, so cinchona is obtained from the bark of the quinine tree. Next one, this plant is an orchid. We get oil from its pods when we used as an essence in making ice cream. So the answer vanilla. Okay, so the vanilla ice cream we all are like to eat, no? So that vanilla essence made from this plant. Okay, orchid plant. So next one, the oil obtained from the leaves of these herbs are used to make medicines for stomach disorder, cough, mouth odor, and also the pain. So the answer mint. Okay, so the mint is obviously used for mouth disorder and also stomach disorder, mouth odor, and all. Okay, so next one, the root of this plants are used to restore the strength and vitality of old people. So the answer ginseng. Okay, so this plant is used to restore the strength of the old people. So next one, each and every part of this plant has antibacterial characteristics. It has been used for curing infections, making soaps, shampoos, etc. So answer neem. So you all are well known about neem tree, no? So the neem tree are everywhere in Tamil Nadu. So this is used for antibacterial characteristic. So it's used for curing infections and making soaps, shampoo, etc. This plant is worshipped almost in all the Hindu homes. Its leaves have been long to cure cough and cold. So cough and cold cured by this tulsi plant. Okay, so the fruit amla is rich of vitamin C. So vitamin C is very important for us. So eating amla every day help to protect our body from the diseases. Okay, so next one, deforestation. Deforestation can be defined as the large scale of removal of tree from the forest. So deforestation is happening everywhere on the planet for many different reasons that vary from region to region. So deforestation is happened mostly because of human activity, and sometimes it's because of natural activity like wildfire. Okay. So deforestation is cleaning Earth's forest on a massive scale, often resulting in damages to the quality of the land. So deforestation definitely affects the quality of the land. So deforestation provides a balance between ecosystem service and goods, including control on floods, soil erosion, biodiversity, and most important our climate, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. So forests are one of the important ecosystem on earth. So every day we use resources the forest provide us, such as timber, firewoods, and medicinal and edible oil. So forest still cover about 30% of the world's land area, but swell the size of Panama or the lost each and every year. So the world's rainforest could completely vanish in 100 years at the current rate of deforestation. In India, forest land is shrinking by 1 million hectares per year. So nearly one-third people in the world depend directly on forests for their livelihood. So deforestation has many negative effects on the environment. The most dramatic impact is the loss of habitat from millions of species. It also drives climate changes. So mostly deforestation gives negative effect to the human being and also environment. So to protect the forest is very important because have to stabilize our climate and serve wildlife species and also protect our well-being. Okay, so 5 largest worldwide rainforests listed in descending orders as follows. Okay, so the first one, Amazon basin of South America. So next one, Congo River basin of Central Africa. Next one, Southeast Asia. Next one, New Guinea and Madagascar. So these are the 5 world's largest for rainforest. Okay, so Amazon from the South America is one of the biggest rainforest in world. So nearly 57% of all the rainforests remaining are located in the neotropics, with 30% located in Brazil. So in Brazil only the Amazon forest is present. So the Brazil has the highest annual rate of deforestation today. So children, this session we have learned about medicinal plants, some of the medicinal plant and deforestation. So all of you please note your today's homework. Complete the page number 5 and 8 in your GK book and post it in Google Classroom. This is your today's homework. Okay, got it? Okay. So children, avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in this session. Bye. Thank you.